name is Farah. Today was day 2 of the learning. It was a great experience, made a lot of friends, got to learn a lot about lesson planning and PBL, and excited for day 3 tomorrow. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tasnim. This is my day 2 of the workshop. We have learned about lesson plannings today. Had a great experience. It was very interactive. That's all. Thank you.
Sansrita. This is the day 2 of the training. Today's session was quite informative. I would like to add on that I was, as I had B.Ed, lesson planning was something that I knew, but different dimensions of it was done today in the session, which was really a good brushing up of the entire knowledge that I had of it, and also I'm getting a different way to look at how to plan a lesson in according to the 21st century learning needs. So yeah, today's info. Thank you for the session.
Hi, I'm Ashley. Today is my second workshop in EBT. It was a long day, but it was really wonderful. I enjoyed the sessions. A lot of sessions relevant to our teacher was gone through it today, like how through probing questions, how I can understand the taught portions, account to the kids properly, and also categorize the kids based on their performance to like try, challenge and push, so that those kids can be allocated in the exact proper groups, and then taught and give concentration to those kids in a way that they needed. Also, I could learn about this safeguarding, how much important as a teacher their safety is in our hands, like how much it is a risk, like how much focus we have to give onto this, on safeguarding the kids which are coming for learning through us. Yeah, I'm looking forward for tomorrow's session as well. It was a great day. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Mary. Today is the second day of the training. It was a beautiful and wonderful training experience. Having 8 years teaching experience back in Nigeria, this is another wonderful experience I've had added to my experience I've gathered so far. I appreciate this training center, EBT, for this opportunity given to me to be part of the trainings, to experience this wonderful experience. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.
This is my second day of workshop in EBT, and today's lesson was very engaging and informative. Mr. Christopher explained everything really well with real life examples, and that was really helpful. And the staff is also very nice and cooperative. Thank you.
So this is Zaha with you. Today the second day of the workshop was really fantastic and very interactive and insightful. We gained a lot of knowledge, as this is almost my first experience of any teaching workshop, so I gained a lot of knowledge, and I am developing and improving myself for my professional career. Thank you EBT for giving us the chance. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody, my name is Dilshan Sami and this is my second day of the workshop. I felt that today was very insightful. It was long but I learned a lot, and I feel like because this group is very intimate, I had the chance to get out of my comfort zone, learn how I should be as a professional, and I feel like it was beneficial for everybody.